We're gonna be headed to Fossil Creek. First time being here. This is just gonna be an amazing trip. I can't wait to get there.
Vamos a esa. No, sí, tabla moderno. Un RTM. Un RTM.
Man, here we go. 5 mile hike down to Fossil Creek. Man, this is gonna be crazy. Definitely, if you're gonna come out here, do not bring flip-flops or bring like hiking boots or whatever, because it is very rocky. Very rocky. Look at that dude. I got somebody following me. Oh my god. Never mind, it was just Vic. Zeus. So after 2 hours and 30 minutes walking, we finally make it. And let me tell you, this place is amazing. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, right?
Where?
I think they came inside that waterfall.
Oh, for real?
it was a long walk, they wouldn't be able to keep up with me. Look at them. They back there. Can't keep up.
Let me tell you, this is one of the hardest hikes I've been on. These guys are in shape, man. They left me behind, but my legs hurt, my arms hurt, everything hurts. But it was amazing. I enjoyed it. It was just awesome, especially being with good friends. Loved it.